My idea was to create a clear epoxy bowl with some balls inlaid and then turn it on a lathe machine. I started by cutting 2 pieces of plywood the diameter of the cylinder mold. Then I purchased some unfinished wood balls in different sizes. To give them some color, I painted them. Also, they were supposed to float, so I drilled a small hole through the balls and connected them with a nylon string. They had to be evenly spaced out, so I would be able to pour the epoxy without having to place each ball separately in different layers. I created a mold with corrugated plastic, measured the spacing, filled the nylon string through, and then simply secured them with superglue. To be able to hang them in the cylinder silicone mold, I used the cutout plywood circles with little holes to hang the nylon strings from. I secured the bottom strings with hot glue and the top string with tape. And I should have used hot glue instead, as one of the strings came loose. But that mistake gave the final piece just a little more flavor. I used Resin Wonder Crystal Clear epoxy resin, a pressure pot, and filled the mold in 2 sessions. The result was indeed crystal clear, and we were all excited about the product, so thanks and thumbs up to Resin Wonder. Beginning the real work and turning the bowl on a lathe machine, we had to purchase special soft cloth chucks to hold the bowl in place as it was quite heavy. Then I had Phil turning the inside for me, as he is the professional, and we had fun figuring out which tool to use and how to make the inside look. Also, the epoxy shavings were flying everywhere, covering the shop with white flakes and twirls. Super fun to watch. I finished the outside of the bowl and just let the shapes take place, adding grooves after grooves and definitely making it one kind of an artwork. Sanding the bowl, I started with 80 grit and made my way up to 400 grit before removing it from the lathe. Once sanded, I used clear high gloss spray coat to give it a final shiny look. And voila, this is my finished ball bowl. Enjoy!